So, I am on my way to J&T. Ship tayo ng mga orders for Anya and then going to the gym. Ay, samahan niyo ako. Pero may pahabol daw na order, so I'm just here waiting. Medyo inaantok pa ako, sarap ng tulog ko. Pagod na pagod kasi ako kahapon from taping, but yeah, kailangan natin mag-exercise and within the week, ang dami natin gagawin because I am gonna have a new show. Crossing my fingers na matutuloy siya. And preparation is this week, next week, and the week after that. So sana good. Kailangan gawin natin yung best natin dun. And I hope you guys watch it pagka umi-air na siya. Now let's go. Ito nga pala, ang coach ko, inevitable, si Thanos. Ano gagawin natin today?
Vlog ba yan, boy? Vlog?
Oo.
So, ano tayo ngayon? Back day?
Back day?
Oo.
Pag tumagal, magiging ganyan katawan ko. Yun, oh, funny posing, funny pose. Oh, Buti hindi ka hinaharang sa airport.
Oo nga eh. Pero bawal daw ako sa airport kasi bawal ang beast. Oh.
Bawal ang?
Beast.
Okay, kakapasok na natin sa car. Done na tayo mag-workout. Good back day, Coach Harvey. Ito yung sunshade ko. Lagi ako inaasar ng parents ko na hilig ko sa payong kasi ultimo yung sunshade ko mukhang payong. But yeah, pauwi na tayo. Malapit lang naman tayo sa gym, around, I don't know, 15 minutes to drive. Hindi to yung closest branch sa bahay, but it's the one I prefer going to. Because if may mga errands na dapat isabay, ang dali dito because it's a mall. And madali siyang puntahan, parking hindi mahirap. Ayoko kasi yung pahirapan mag-park sa gym, lalo na everyday or as much as possible, di ba na magpupunta ka ng gym. Ayoko yung ganun. And flat rate parking. Magkano lang naman na parking, hindi siya per hour. So, ayun, at least same rate all throughout. And let's drive. Okay, so just got home, kakapark lang natin. And yan, ang aking sunshade. Boom! Tapos, diba ganun lang kabilis? So, papahinga muna ako din work. So pag-uwi, nagpamasahe na lang ako. Now we are at dinner. Cafe Lydia and Marikina. So what did you order?
Wala pa. Hindi order.
How about you? What did you order?
Pick a number 1, 2,
3. 4:30.
3.
Guys, what's your order? Go.
Bowl
with this.
Please welcome the Anya Caps for sale soon. Niana. Paano Niana? Oh. Tummy time! Hi, tummy time! Hello! Baby, look at me. Baby, sit. Good girl. Good. Low. Sit. Good boy.
Nakaupo na ako kanina pa.